This, make 3 guesses. Let's say first 3 guesses.
Gosh. You're asking the wrong thing. Something like that. It looks like something that is beyond like. I don't know. Well, I don't know what that is. I gotta help me.
It's on the beach. It's on a tall tree.
Something from a coconut tree?
Yeah, it's a baby coconut.
Baby coconut.
Yes, that's what it is. Yes, it's a baby coconut. I just have them guessing. I can't just give it up like that, you know what I mean?
And then there's donkey eye.
Yes, this one is the donkey eye. Yep. You know what I mean? I didn't know sustainable materials would be such a conversation starter, you know?
Yes. For the whole time I wondered what it was. I've never seen a baby coconut in my life. That's a first.
For real, well, now you get to see how a baby coconut looks like.
Have you ever had a sprouted coconut?
What?
Sprouted coconut?
Sprouted? No, but just today I see on YouTube, it's a black diamond coconut. I was like, wow, if you see this black juicy coconut, I was like, that had to taste nice.
Oh, interesting. It is.
Didn't it look juicy? Yeah, we. Very. So what was the coconut you talk about? You just asked about a coconut.
Sprouted.
Sprouted.
So it's like, you know the ones that like don't fall off the tree, they're brown, but the leaf is already busted through.
Mm-hmm.
So when you crack it open, it has this fluffy kind of
Nut.
texture.
Yeah, you can eat it too.
Yes.
So that's what you call it sprouted coconut. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna lick on my lips. I know that it tastes good. Man.
There's another one called, we don't have it here, but it's called the macapuno coconut.
Macapuno.
Yeah, so instead of like water on the inside, it have this jelly kind of
Jelly.
I've never tried it before.
I would be kind of skeptic. Well, what do you find?
They look a little suspicious.
Look at the slime though. Yeah, that's crazy.
I've seen it online, but never really tried it. Never seen it.
Nice. Well, back to tattooing. I just seen your latest client. What is your latest tattoo that you did on yourself?
For myself,
Interesting. Love in Chinese. I like it. Very intricate lines. Interesting. Nice. You twinning for spite? Interesting. That is so you know. Yeah, balance. I realize balance is everything. Nice. I like it too. It's so you. It's so like. Yeah. But don't give up. Keep going. I hope to see you on a bigger YouTube channel than mine one day. Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Any YouTubers came through here to get tattoos? Keep your name going far, man. Still Jihan Art, so I didn't change your name yet, man. perfect. So yeah, man, let me get did you tell me which one is the best one? Let me get a compliment before I go. Which one is the best one? Interesting. Yeah, so we'll work on that. But this one, you see, bring it back for you, right? From the bottom of the map. So I don't forget, it's on camera, so I ain't gonna forget for sure. So thanks again. You know what I mean? I did like and share the video, right? Jihan asked for it, and I don't know, like and share the video. From the grades family. Thank you.